Hi everybody, this is Sebastian. I'm back again. So I'm over my flu, everything's good. And as you might see if you are in crypto, that we are hovering around pretty much the 100K level now with Bitcoin, Ethereum, trying to get through the 4,000 barrier. Cardano, $1.10, hovering around between $1 and $1.10, XRP around 240. And so it seems like we're building a reaccumulation phase. If you are familiar with Wyckoff trading, you might want to look into that. It's very interesting. But so reaccumulation phase, as it says, reaccumulating, a good time to buy in. You never know with the reaccumulation whether it goes up or it goes down. However, the overall sentiment, I would say it's very bullish. So this is actually a good time to accumulate some more coins if you have the cash and if you are willing to expose yourself to this market, because remember, it's very volatile. I just helped for like 6 hours a friend to get involved, and I always realize how complicated it actually is if you have never done anything like this. The whole how do I get money in? Where do I sign up? What is a Bitcoin? Where do I send it? How do I secure it? So I set up a hardware wallet and all that, and this is the whole idea. My intention with this channel is to help people that need help, because I remember when I started through a friend pushing me to buy Bitcoin, I didn't even know. I barely knew what a computer is, and I mean, you know, understanding the whole cryptocurrencies, the whole underlying technology. You don't necessarily have to know all the details, but knowing what a private key is, knowing what a public key is just so crucial. And that is why you shouldn't have any of your coins, any of your savings in online wallets too long, or in exchanges. And I just realized for my friend, like, it's so hard to understand what it actually means. So yeah, I'm here to help. I enjoy it. And so if there's anybody that has any question, that need help, just let me know, and I'm willing to help if I have time. But so yeah, it's going to be exciting. It's going to be an exciting time. There's a lot of people saying Bitcoin will go to 250K, Ethereum 16,000, Cardano $8 to $12, XRP $8 to, some people say $500. I don't know if it ever will reach a $20 trillion market cap. I think that's quite ridiculous. But on the other hand, of course, the US dollar is an inflationary currency that can be just created by thin air, and so of course it could theoretically reach $20 trillion, but then the question will be, what is a US dollar actually still worth? Probably not much. So I think the underlying thing I try to say here is good time to buy and hold long term. Even if it might come down, you can sell out, take profits. But I think, at least in my opinion, if you buy Bitcoin, if you buy Ethereum, even if you buy Cardano, I would hold them long term. Out of my 7 years of experience being in this market, being I was a very, what do you call it, a greenhorn, or green behind my ears, as we say in German. When I started this, I had absolutely no idea about finance. And so I bought whatever I could throw my money at, all the new ICOs around the block. And of course, now in hindsight, I'd be like, the best thing that I would have, or what I could have done, is you buy Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, and you just hold. That would have been the best strategy. I would have made much more money than I have trying to figure out when to trade, when to buy, when to sell, which is the new coin around the block. Because it's so hard to sell them when it's it's so hard to know when the top is in, and then can you be strong enough to let go and sell them, or are you going to get emotionally attached to them and it might go up another 5x, whatever, and before you know it, they crash down and your money is gone. So it's really not that easy, and I think the easiest way is just dollar cost average, and you buy little by little by little. So yeah, this is my 5-minute rant, and so yeah, all the best of luck. Be patient, do your due diligence, and dollar cost average in and hodl. It's a very volatile market. It's crazy. You never know what's going to happen. But I think it's an investment for yourself, for your future self, because down the road, I think being knowledgeable in the area of crypto is going to be very helpful down the road. All right, take care.